Hello lovely people, welcome back to our channel. So in this video I want to show you how you'll be able to check your BECE results using your mobile phone. So the most important thing that we need is our results checker. We need our voucher serial number and then the pin. So if you don't know how to buy it, I have created a video on how you'll be able to buy your results checker. So you can go ahead and watch that video and come back here and use this procedure to check your BECE results online. So let's open our Google Chrome. When you open the Google Chrome, just go straight to the search bar and then type the WAEC address over there. That is ghana.waecdirect.org. So just quickly load that website. Take your time because people are having trouble loading this website. It's because there is so much pressure on the website. That is why. So just take your time and it will load perfectly for you. So this is how the interface looks like. You are going to input all the details over the one after the other. Make sure you don't make any mistake, because if you make any mistake, you'll go and load another person's result. Yes, so just take your time. Make sure you input everything correctly, your index number, everything, your date of birth, all those things. Put it correctly. So let me put my index number. That is 0321039110110. So that is my index number. The person I'm checking for, that is the person's index number. Now let's go ahead and select BECE as the examination type, and then examination year. Let's choose the examination year. The date of birth, that is 1st December 2000. Yeah, so 2000. Now this is where you are going to need our voucher serial number. So you input the voucher serial number over here, and then the pin. Yeah, you need these two things. Make sure you don't make any mistake whilst you are trying to input them. When you finish, you come back here and input your index number once again. So index number, that is 03210391100. So input that again, then the examination year, you select the examination year as well. So after everything, just click on submit. When you click on submit, it will load and the result will open for you. Don't forget, when it loads, make sure you save it in PDF form. Save it in PDF form and it will be in your downloads, and download it. After saving your PDF, it will be in your download. Then you can go ahead to the printing shop and print it. Yeah, as simple as that. So guys, thanks so much. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos, and don't forget to like this video as well. If you are having any challenge in doing this, just put it in the comment section and I'll be there to help you out. Guys, thanks so much for supporting us. We love you so much. Take care. Bye.